Hi team, welcome to the latest in our series around our Trulli tutorial sessions. Again, Trulli being our AI agentic chatbot. So today I wanted to talk a little bit about how Trulli can help assist on our matching of details within documents and how we can use it to highlight inconsistencies between documents. Again, just a useful way of adding additional insight and analysis beyond our existing data match capabilities. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to access Trulli. Again, always on the left-hand side in the bottom corner of our Trullian platform. And I'm going to ask it about just comparing very simply details, consistencies and inconsistencies between a PO and an invoice. So you can always either upload documents directly from your computer, or you can ask questions based on documents that you've already worked on within Trullian, which is what I'm going to do today. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to select just an invoice and a corresponding PO, and I'm going to ask it to compare the two documents just to validate consistency. And what Trulli is able to do is really simply summarize the areas of consistency between the two documents and the areas of minor discrepancies. And even more helpfully, it's actually suggested other details as well that maybe we need to consider as part of a further assessment, and other suggested prompts that we might want to ask within Trulli as part of further analysis, which is really helpful. Now, again, what's super important as part of any sort of AI automation within Trullian is verifiability and auditability. So you can always access the documents from which you ask questions on the right-hand side, and it will always pull up the source from which it actually did its analysis and interpretation from. So naturally, talking about tying the PO, details per the PO, amounts per the PO back to the invoice, and highlighting some minor discrepancies that we would expect just due to the nature of the different types of documents. But again, feel free to use this use case on any and all types of documents within Trulli and use it to compare across either two or multiple documents.